Want your stock dividends to automatically buy more shares and compound your returns? If you're not reinvesting your dividends, you're missing one of the most powerful wealth building tools. Today, we're setting up Dividend Reinvestment, DRIP, at Schwab. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. DRIP automatically uses the cash dividends paid by your stocks or ETFs to purchase more shares of the same security, all without paying a commission. Step 1. Navigate to Dividend Reinvestment Settings. In your Schwab account, go to Account Settings and find Dividend Reinvestment under Account Services. Click Update to manage your settings. Step 2. Update your reinvestment elections. You'll see a list of all the securities in your account. For each one, you can choose to reinvest dividends and capital gains back into the same security or receive as cash to get the money deposited. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: reinvest in your core holdings, take cash from others. A great strategy is to reinvest dividends from the stocks and ETFs you plan to hold long term, which accelerates compounding. For positions you might want to sell soon, direct the dividends to cash so you're not automatically buying more of something you're trying to exit. So, just like that, you're putting your dividends to work 24/7. Automatic dividend reinvestment goes a long way in building wealth over time with zero extra effort. Now I'm curious, do you reinvest all your dividends, or do you use some for income? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.